Athena, before I build anything, I want to actually understand my data. I have a database full of tables I barely know, so where do I start?
One database connection, Leo. That is all it takes to start. From there, DataPallas hands you a whole toolbox for understanding your data, inside and out. Let me walk you through the connection screen, tab by tab. But first, one little helper you will meet everywhere. Whenever DataPallas expects some SQL, a script or a template, look for this "Hey AI, help me" button. Click it, and in a minute or two, it writes exactly what you need.
A button that writes my SQL for me? I will be clicking that everywhere. All right, back to the connection screen and those tabs you promised.
This screen is where you set up a connection, the one you reuse everywhere. Reports, dashboards, chatting with your data. Name it, pick a type, every major vendor works, and fill in the details. And look along the top. Those tabs are the tools I promised. We will take them left to right, but first, two handy helpers down at the bottom. First, launch ChatGPT. It opens your preferred AI, free and with no account needed. You get most of the AI help for your data work at no cost and completely anonymously, good for your data security. By default, it opens chatgpt.com and it is configurable. You can point it at Copilot instead if you prefer. And next to it, CloudBeaver, a full cross-database manager bundled right in. Start it, connect to any of your databases, and run ad hoc SQL right there. With the details in, one click does the rest. Test connection, then fetch database schema. DataPallas checks the connection and reads your whole schema automatically, every table, column, and index, and stores it. No manual mapping.
So one login, Athena, and I already have a window into my data.
The Database Schema tab shows everything it found, every table and column. This is your raw map. One glance and you see exactly what data you have. A big ERP or CRM can have hundreds of tables. The domain grouped schema sorts them into business areas, sales and fulfillment, product catalog, and so on. And you do not do it by hand. One click on "Hey AI, help me," and the AI groups them for you. And there it is. Every table now sits under its business area, so you always know where things belong. Save it, and you are done.
For a huge database, that alone would save me hours of guessing.
Knowing which tables exist is good. Knowing how they relate is even better. The ER Diagram tab draws your database as a map, and you do not draw it by hand. By now you can probably guess which button gets us started. Yes, "Hey AI, help me." That opens the AI Copilot with a ready-made prompt. It reads every table, primary key and foreign key, and turns them into a full entity relationship diagram. And here it is, the whole map, tables, columns, and every relationship. That one click on "Hey AI, help me read your foreign keys" and drew all of it. Join paths and one-to-many links, clear at a glance. The ubiquitous Language tab closes a gap, how the business talks versus how the data is stored. When customer means the same to a developer and a sales manager, confusion drops and accuracy goes up. The Explore Data tab is your launchpad, Leo. From here, you either chat with your database in plain English, that is, chat to DB, or you jump straight into building dashboards on the same data. Last tab, Seed Data. From here, you can create custom schemas or fill a database with realistic test data. Great for demos and load testing. It even ships with ready-made example scripts. And the best part, you rarely write that script yourself. "Hey AI, help me" does it. You describe the data you want, and the AI writes the seed script.
So even the test data writes itself. At this point, I am just clicking and nodding. One connection screen, Athena, and I already understand my data far better. The schema, the domains, the diagram, a shared language, and I can chat with it or seed it. I did not expect it to be this smooth.
That is exactly the goal, Leo. Automatic schema discovery, AI grouping and diagrams, a shared vocabulary, chat and seeding, one toolbox, all to make understanding your data effortless on almost any database.